What's up guys, it's me Umair. So this is Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 running on Android 8 Oreo. So how to find the data user? Go to the setting. Once are you at the setting, go to the connection. Okay, once are you at connection, and then let me show you more connection setting. Okay, there is internet also we can use. Here we go data users. Yeah, now here is the data user which I'm using for the Wi-Fi version. 20 GB I have already used. I mean, as you can see, go to the connection in the main setting, click the data use is, and here you can find it. It was me, none other than Jimmy Eric. Subscribe and bye. Yeah, I mean, can you focus or not? Can the camera focus? Yeah, now it's better. Subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي